go out with one arm, my right arm in this case. Then I add my left knee and bring it all the way up to your chest. Then I tuck up the right leg, and then I use the left hand. So everything needs to come in, and then everything needs to stretch back out again. So one of the really important things with this is you got to teach you to bring a knee in. That left knee. Let me show you what happens when they don't. So what happens if you got this going, and then they do that. These are at a jump, and looks like this. Yeah? Because that knee, from a cognitive understanding of physics and how to get the body to move, if that knee comes up, you're more likely to pull this arm all the way in, and you're also more likely to pull the knee all the way up. Really important. It's interesting because I often watch my clients and I say, bring your knee up, and they've got their heel coming back to their bottom. So you've really got to indicate dumbbell into the shoulder, now bring the knee to the dumbbell. So knee to dumbbell, and then you can add in all the other bits and pieces and it makes sense. Great cardio exercise, this one. Yes, you can certainly change it to the other side and continue doing that, or you might have something in between and then just use that left arm and then build it the same way. Remember, bring the knee in first, then bring the other knee, and then get this hand working hard. So, with the hand that's not holding onto the dumbbell, you want to push it out and pull it in. So it needs to work the water as much as the dumbbell hand, right? And in fact, when you add that arm action, it helps you want to pop up a little higher as well. There is a lot of impact that's going to go through that one leg, and that's not a bad thing, remember? Some of our participants are coming to Aqua with osteoporosis, and they won't do anything on land. So they need to have some form of impact that happens in the water. Of course, they can modify it and make it a lot easier by just lowering themselves in the water, and then there's not going to be that much impact, but it also reduces all the other benefits as well. The cardio aspect goes down. So, great little exercise. Teaching this on land, you teach the arm, leg, and both legs, and I'll demonstrate that in the next clip, and that's this week's Aqua tip. To demonstrate the side kick on land is going to take a little bit of effort. It's also great if you've got either a frame or a chair to demonstrate this, as I'm going to show you. So you want to start with the arm action first. So you want to get it pulling in and out towards the shoulder. I will only do maybe 3 of those repetitions max before I then add in the leg action. Now remember that you've got to pull the knee up towards your chest to demonstrate this well, because that's what you want them to do in the water. So don't get a little bit lazy and go like this. You want to pull it in, and remember you're trying to cue that to your class as well. So pull the knee into the dumbbell and push the arm all the way out. So arm pushing out into the water, then you add the leg action pretty quickly after that, and then that's when you need to go on the frame to demonstrate that you also want them to pop up on the opposite leg. Or you can go down to the bench or a chair and demonstrate the same thing here. And then the final action is getting that opposite arm to push out and in, turn that palm in and out. Once again with these famous sprayed hands. So it's a 4-part demonstration. And they also do it in that format too. They sort of build as well, especially on the first side. Because once they get to the other side, they sort of know where you're going to go with it. But of course, as an instructor, you could also use it as 4 separate exercises that people build up. So they might do 8 repetitions of just the arm, and then you ask them to add 8 repetitions of adding the knee into towards the chest, and then add the 8 repetitions of getting the knee to hop up and down, and then that final arm action. And doing it that way is actually really smart because you're sort of teaching the move, especially if they're not that familiar with it. My clients are familiar with it, so I need to move and transition from one move to the next pretty quickly so that they get the full picture and they do the final exercise for a little bit longer. So an exercise that you'll have to work a little bit as an instructor, you're going to need something like an Aqua frame or a chair to demonstrate especially that really important hopping action, and that's this week's aptitude.